Marcus. I'm going to show you how to make a quick, super easy DIY Christmas topiary. What you're going to need is a cute little container, kind of like these. These were 3 for $1 at the Walmart. That's where I bought these. This came from the Dollar Tree. A red Solo cup. I'll show you just in 1 second what to do with that. You're going to need some florals, some greenery, some poinsettias, whatever you want to use for your topiary. And then pick some Christmas bulbs and a glue gun, and then you're set. First, take your container and your red Solo cup and your glue gun. We're gonna glue the bottom of this cup and we're gonna put it down into the container. We're gonna create a little space all the way around. The goal is for the bulb to set up on here, and then we're creating a place for all of our florals to go. Oh, it's melting the cup. Start inserting them here around the edge. All right, so I have all of my florals in here. Next step, you're gonna grab your largest bulb, grab your glue gun, and just make a few dots around the rim of the Solo cup so that when you put the bulb on here, it'll stick onto the Solo cup. And then move your florals out of the way. Pop your biggest bulb right into there. So there you go. That's how easy was that? We did that in under a minute probably. If you're all prepared, you can do this really quickly. I'm gonna take the next bulb and we're just going to use glue. We're gonna use the hot glue gun and build them up. So I'm gonna put a ring of glue right here, what I think is probably about the middle. Okay. And then I'm just going to kind of mush that in there, rock it around just a little bit, kind of look to see if it's straight. And we're gonna hide this excess glue later, so I promise we'll get rid of the ugly. So, and now the last one. Try to eyeball it. All right, I think that's where we'll leave it. And then we just wait, we hold it. Hold it for about a minute. Now we're gonna embellish it just a little bit. I told you we would hide some of the ugly, some of the glue, and that's what I have these really fancy string, rope, whatever you wanna call it here. These are from the Martha Stewart collection. I found them at Home Goods, but I thought they were pretty cool. And I'm going to use this one. Just take your rope and figure out about how much you're going to need. Trim off a piece, and then we're gonna hot glue it around and cover up the ugly that's here. You could add a ribbon, you could add other embellishments, which I'm going to add. There's a blemish right here on this bulb, so this snowflake would be perfect to hide that. So I'm just going to glue these on, and again, you can add whatever you want to add to your topiary, make it yours. Little candy canes here. I've got these berries that you could add. I've added berries kind of in the middle here when you're putting the rope in. That could be cute. You could add another piece of greenery, really whatever you want to add to it. And there you have it. It didn't take long at all to put this together. Again, this is a really fun activity that you could do with your loved ones around the holidays, and probably with things that you already have at home. Get some of your neighbors over to have a little holiday gathering. You'll be the hit of the neighborhood.